Una done my pipu. For anywhere in the world wey you dey take watch my video, I greet una. My name na Omobolanle Adedeji. I be your pidgin teacher for dis data analytics matter. Today, I wan sharparly show you how you go take navigate from one cell to another for inside Excel. If you never subscribe put for my channel, na the correct time be dis make you subscribe and click on the notification button so dat the next time wey I sama you correct video on top dis data analytics matter, you go dey among the first set of pipu wey go dey see say my video don show. Now make I quickly explain wetin we wan do today. Now if you look dis data now, e look like say e many. If you read dis side now, e don dey show you 2 million something something something. Make I see now as I do control A, select everything. If you come down here wey dem dey show count, e don dey show you say dis data wey dey here na 2 million plus na im dey here. Now for dis 2 million plus data, you wan come dey move from one cell to another. If you no know wetin I mean by cell, na im be say you dey new to Excel, you no know wetin I dey talk. Sharparly run go inside my channel, go watch all the previous video wey I don take explain many many things for beginners for inside Excel. Now you wan come do something for down or up o. Now our cell start from A1. Say I wan go do something for inside A1, I fit come dey do like dis. See am now, e go take forever for me to reach dat side, and e no make sense for person wey get plenty work wey wan do. As a data analytics, sometimes you no dey get time to do all dis work. Now to go inside my A1, na im be say the beginning of the cell, I go come here now, click dis one, come write A1, press enter. E don carry me come up. Na A1 be dis one. E get another method wey be say you fit just click on control, press your arrow to the direction wey you wan make e go. Now for dis one now, I wan make the arrow, I wan make dis thing go right. I don click the right arrow now. E don come to the end. See am now, e don come here. If I wan make e go back to where I dey come from, I go click control, press the arrow to the left. E don come here now. If I wan come make dis thing come down, I go click on control. E don go down patapata. If I wan make e go up, I fit come up here like dis. E don come back up. Now dat one na im be say you dey go to the end or to the beginning of dis data set. If you wan come dey select one thing for inside dis data set, you fit do am. Na im be say you go just come here again. Whether you don know where you wan go, you don know say you wan go do something for whether H300, you go come click am, type for here now come write 300, press enter. As I press enter now, my cell don come H300. E don reach dis side now. If you reason am now, dis line, dis column na im be H, and then dis row na im be 300. I fit say I wan go 2 million one thing. Make I try am. Make I press I 2 million 100, press enter. E don come there. E don come here now. Now you don get as e dey go. Na im be say anywhere wey you know say na dis side I dey go, you fit do am like dat, and then e go carry you go inside the cell wey you wan do. Now if you wan come do something whether you wan arrange something for here now, you wan do something, you don gather dis thing. Dis one na im dem dey call range. If you no know wetin range mean, sharparly go inside my channel, go watch all those video wey I don take explain column, row, range, and so on and so forth. Now for dis one now, I don select some range, say I wan do dis one. And then if you wan dey work, if you wan dey refer to dis range, or you wan dey work with dis range now, you fit even put am say so dat Excel go remember say dis range wey I select I dey come back come there. You come here now, come change the name. You fit change am to, make we change am to group 2. You no go put space. If you put space, e go dey give you problem. Make I put space so dat you go see wetin I dey talk now. If I put space now, see am now, e go dey give you problem. E go dey give you tori say invalid one thing. But if you come back here now, write group 2, space no dey, press enter, e don save am give you. You fit still come come do another part, still name am. You go name dis one group 5, press enter. Now Excel don save am for you. So now if I come dey work for, make I go up, if I come dey come here, as I dey up now, I dey do something here, I come remember say I wan do something for inside that range wey I don create. How I go come go back to that range now? You fit come here now, come type am. Dat first one wey we do, we name am group 2, press enter, e don carry you come back there. Na so we dey do. If you don create plenty of dis thing wey be say you come dey wonder say how I go go back go dis thing now, you go come press Ctrl G. As you press Ctrl G now, you don see all the ones wey you don create. We create group 5, we create group 2. So if I click on group 5 now, press enter now, e don carry me come here. Na so we dey do for inside dis Excel matter wey be say you wan navigate inside one cell or different group. I go see you for my next video. Bye.